Alright, if you're dealing with those annoying ghost touches on your Android phone, when the screen registers taps or swipes that you didn't make, don't worry, I've got you covered. These simple steps are easy to follow, and you'll be back to normal in no time. Step 1. Take off your screen protector and phone case. Doing this often solves the problem and shows you're taking control to fix it. Plus, giving the screen a nice clean can make a big difference. Step 2. Let's head into the settings. Swipe up, tap the gear icon, then scroll down and tap Display. Now here's where we'll adjust two key settings. First, turn on Accidental Touch Protection. This feature is great for preventing false touches when your phone is in your pocket or when you bump into things. It's a simple way to regain control and make your phone more reliable. Next, turn on Touch Sensitivity. If you've got a screen protector on, this is your best friend. It'll help the phone detect touches more accurately. But heads up, if you set it too high, it might cause some unintentional taps. So try it out, and if it's still acting up, turn it off. Step 3. Here's a simple trick that works wonders. Just press and hold the side button and hit Restart. Sometimes a quick reboot can fix ghost touches and other weird screen issues. Give it a shot, and that's it. If you're still having trouble, drop a comment below with details about your issue, but I'm pretty sure this will sort you out. If it helped, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.